Hey, what's up everyone? Josh Quinones here, and today we're going to be taking a look at these really cool immersion lights by Govee. Now these are LED lights for the back of your TV, but these aren't just any ordinary LED lights. These actually change color in real time as the scene changes with whatever it is you're watching on TV. So as soon as your scene changes color, these are going to change color in real time with that scene. It's actually really cool, and it just makes the whole viewing experience that much better. Now these do work with the Google Assistant and Alexa, and they also have their own dedicated Govee Home app, so you can be able to customize these however you want. So definitely a lot of things going on here with these LED lights. If by the end of this video you do find yourself interested in these lights right here, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below. But let's go ahead and go check them out. So going over to the TV here, let's take a second to look at just how cool this is. As soon as the scene changes color, so do the lights in real time. And how this works is, if we look at the top of the TV, there's a little tiny camera looking down at the TV display. And what this does is it reads what colors are on the display and feeds it back to the lights to help them change to the correct color in real time. Definitely a very cool feature, and the camera is included with the lights. Now, like I mentioned earlier, these lights do work with Google Assistant and Alexa, and you can also use the dedicated Govee Home app, which I already have downloaded onto my device, as you can see here. And as you can see, I have tons of lights already set up within this app that I do use around the home. But right now we are going to focus on the living room TV. And this is pretty much the screen that you are greeted with once you get it set up and ready to go. And there is so much that you can do within this app right here to be able to customize these lights just the way you want them. Now, the first thing we have here is an effects lab. So basically you can choose from tons of different colors here to create your own effects with these lights right here. I mean, we got ingredients colors, desserts, natural, emotions, stars. I mean, they got tons to choose from. Natural sights, animals, flowers, gems. I mean, the list goes on, as you can see here. So definitely a lot that you can do here to customize your own effects within that effects lab. Next up, we have the timer. So depending on when you want these to turn off or on, you can set that all up right here with the timer. That way you don't have to worry about turning them off and on yourself. The timer will always be there to do that for you. And then of course you got your brightness to turn up the brightness, turn down the brightness. You know, sometimes you're watching a movie, you know, those backlights can sometimes be a little too bright. So it's nice to be able to turn that down if we want to. Now, right below that is different modes. We got music, video, color, scene, and DIY. So definitely a good amount of modes to choose from. The music mode is going to give you the option to basically let these sync with your music. It's going to change color according to sound rhythm. You have energetic, rhythm, spectrum, and rolling, and you can also change the sensitivity up on that as well. So this is cool if you got music playing on the TV, you know, you want the lights to kind of match the music. This is really cool to go along with that and just kind of put you in that mood of exercising or dancing or whatever it is that you're doing. And then we have a video mode, which is what we were looking at earlier. And the mode that I had it on was all, which lights up the whole strip in one color depending on the scene. Now we also have a different option, as you can see here, which is part. Now basically what this does is it still lights up the lights in real time, just like the all one does, but except this one does it in different parts of the light strip. So basically if there's a bunch of different colors showing up on the screen, the camera will see that and it will try to match that around the TV. Now, it is not always accurate. There are some times where it's not always right on, and there are times that it does work good. For me personally, I always like to keep it on the all because, I don't know, for me, I just feel it looks a lot better that way. And then of course we have a game mode and a movie mode, and then you can always change up the saturation on that as well. Now, if you want something a little bit more basic, that's where the color mode comes in, because I mean, you can pretty much just choose one color. If you don't want it to change at all, you don't want any effects going on, you can pretty much just select all and then pick the color that you want, and boom, there it is. That's the color you want. That's the color you're going to get. That's the color it is going to stay unless you change it yourself. Now, you do have the option to add on colors if you want. So say maybe I want two different colors, half and half. I can just uncheck some of the sections here in this little strip that we have here. Let me check those two. So it looks like I got about half checked and half unchecked. And maybe I want to do like blue and purple. As you can see there, it does purple on the top, blue on the bottom, and that's it. The colors are set for you. And then of course you can always add more if you really want to. All you got to do is just check mark the sections that you want changed. Now say you want to set the mood, maybe you want to watch a romantic movie, a love movie with that special someone. Well, we got a scene mode as well, and this is going to give you the options to set up different scenes. So you got a sunrise scene, sunset, a movie scene, a dating scene. Like I said, if you want to set the mood, romantic scene, twinkle, candlelight, energetic, breathe, snowflake, crossing, and rainbow. So definitely a good amount of scenes here to choose from if you really want to set that mood. And then we have a DIY section. So you can pretty much do it yourself. So if you click on this, it will give you the option to basically customize these lights how you want. So let me go into the edit here. You can name it if you want. You can pick its own icon. You can pick its group. You can also pick up a combo effect. So if I click on this, it'll give me the option to be able to choose a fade style, jumping style, twinkle, marquee, chasing, rainbow. Let's go ahead and do chasing. Now you can put it to go clockwise or counterclockwise. Once you pick the one you want, you just pick confirm, and then you can choose your colors. And then you can also change up the speed, but we'll do that after we pick our colors here. So say maybe I want, let's see, let's do purple. Let's do 2 purples, and you can pretty much add as many colors as you want. We'll do purple and a blue. I'll add 2 purples, 2 blue, and then we'll put the speed at about 75%. Apply, and then boom, it will apply that little DIY that we just made. And you can always change that up whenever you want. You can make as many of those as you want. So it's always nice to be able to customize these lights exactly the way you want to. Like I said, there is tons that you can do on this app right here. Now installing these is simple and easy, and they do come with instructions in the box and everything you need. Again, very cool lights, and I'll have a link down in the description below if you do find yourself interested. All right, well there you have it, the immersion lights by Govee. Definitely very, very cool LED lights for the back of your TV. Y'all let me know what you think down in the comment sections below. What do you think about the lights themselves, the app that goes with it, how much you can customize it? What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment sections below. Like I said before, if you find yourself interested in these lights right here, I'll make sure to have a link down in the description below so you can check it out for yourself. If you did like this video and find it helpful, make sure to leave it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that bell for notifications so you don't miss out on any other future videos to come. Thank you all so very much for watching. This is Josh Quinones. I will see you on the next one. Peace out.